Tired of scraping your knuckles on stubborn bolts? Today we're breaking down the best electric ratchet options that deliver serious torque in tight spaces and cut your repair time in half. Welcome to my channel. I've tested the top performers, so check the links in the description and power up your toolbox. The number 5 product on our list is FULLYEA Electric Ratchet. Most people do not realize how much time they waste turning bolts by hand until their knuckles are sore and the job still is not done. That frustration disappears the moment you switch to a compact, power-driven solution built for tight spaces. Equipped with a 16.8-volt pure copper motor delivering up to 45 foot-pounds of torque and 550 revolutions per minute variable speed, this electric ratchet brings steady force to automotive repairs, construction tasks, and home maintenance projects. You control the pace based on the task, tightening or loosening fasteners with far less effort. Now think about real-world working conditions. Dim garages and cramped engine bays often make precision difficult. The built-in LED light brightens confined spaces, while the clear power indicator keeps you aware of battery levels so you are not caught mid-task with unexpected downtime. Two 2.0 amp-hour rechargeable batteries extend runtime, and the bidirectional heat output design supports temperature stability during prolonged use. Weighing only 2.2 pounds including the battery, the slim extended head reaches narrow gaps easily, and the non-slip rubber grip reduces vibration to ease hand fatigue. Compared with bulkier cordless ratchets that offer higher torque but sacrifice maneuverability, this model focuses on balance between portability and practical power, making it a strong contender in the electric ratchet category. The pros are lightweight handling, dual batteries, and versatile accessories including sockets and extension bars. The cons are moderate torque compared with heavy-duty shop-grade tools. It suits DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, handling light to mid-range tasks, and homeowners seeking efficient repairs without strain. Each bolt turns smoother, and every project feels more controlled from start to finish. At number 4 is KIMO Electric Ratchet. Most stripped bolts are not caused by lack of strength but by lack of control and reach in the wrong tool. That frustration ends when real torque meets smart design. Powered by an advanced motor delivering up to 89 foot-pounds of torque, this cordless ratchet handles rusted or over-tightened fasteners without hesitation. The upgraded system runs cooler and manages heat efficiently, allowing longer sessions without performance drop. Now consider precision. A responsive 0 to 400 RPM variable speed trigger gives you control over every fastening task, whether you are working on delicate assemblies or breaking loose stubborn hardware. That balance between power and finesse separates capable tools from ordinary ones. The chrome vanadium steel head adds industrial grade durability, resisting wear and corrosion even in humid or demanding environments. Switching between forward and reverse takes seconds with a fingertip toggle, eliminating the need to reposition or swap tools mid-project. Tight spaces often create the biggest challenge, yet the recessed compact head and extended 16-inch body provide reach where standard wrenches fail. Built-in LED lighting brightens dark engine bays, while the 4-level battery indicator keeps you aware of remaining charge. Compared with lighter-duty electric ratchets that prioritize compact size over torque output, this model emphasizes strength, reach, and long-term durability. The pros are high torque capability, ergonomic balance, and versatile control features. The cons are slightly more weight compared with ultra-compact models. It suits professional mechanics, serious DIY enthusiasts, and anyone tackling repetitive automotive or construction tasks. Each fastener turns with steady authority, transforming, demanding repairs into controlled and efficient progress. The third one on our list is AOBEN Electric Ratchet. Most DIY projects slow down not because the task is difficult, but because the tool in your hand cannot keep up. That is where a compact cordless ratchet with real torque changes the pace completely. Powered by a 12-volt max motor delivering up to 40 foot-pounds of torque, this tool handles bolt removal and installation with steady authority. Stubborn fasteners that once demanded extra force now loosen smoothly, saving time and effort. Speed matters just as much as strength. With up to 280 revolutions per minute and a responsive variable speed trigger, you stay in control whether tightening small components or moving quickly through repetitive jobs. Now think about visibility. The integrated LED at the front illuminates tight engine bays and dark corners, while side battery indicators clearly show remaining charge so you are not caught off guard mid-repair. Practical details continue with a rear mounted switch that helps prevent accidental activation and an air-cooled motor design that stabilizes temperature during longer sessions. The kit arrives complete with lithium-ion battery, charger, multiple sockets, adapter, extension bar, and carry case, giving you a ready-to-work setup from day one. Compared with heavier high-torque electric ratchets designed for professional shop use, this model focuses on balanced performance and everyday convenience. The pros are lightweight handling, consistent speed control, and thoughtful accessories. The cons are moderate torque output compared to industrial-grade tools. It suits home mechanics, car owners managing routine maintenance, and DIY enthusiasts who value efficiency without bulk. Each bolt turns with smoother rhythm, turning once tedious tasks into satisfying progress. On number 2 is ACDelco Electric Ratchet. The difference between a smooth repair and a frustrating afternoon often comes down to one stubborn bolt. When your hand, tool slips, or your larger impact wrench feels too bulky. Progress stalls. That is where a balanced cordless ratchet built for control steps in. Designed for construction tasks, automotive maintenance, and home repairs, this 12-volt tool delivers a steady 170 RPM no-load speed that keeps jobs moving without overwhelming smaller fasteners. It is quick enough for efficiency, yet measured enough for precision work. Now consider comfort during longer sessions. The ergonomic soft grip reduces strain while providing a secure hold, allowing better stability when applying torque up to 100 foot-pounds. The slim body design fits naturally into tight spaces and keeps weight distributed evenly in your hand. That combination of reach and balance makes repetitive fastening less exhausting. The G12 series kit includes the cordless ratchet, 8 socket pieces, an interchangeable lithium-ion battery, and a fast charger, giving you a ready-to-use setup straight from the case. Compared with heavier high-torque, electric ratchets aimed at industrial use, this model emphasizes maneuverability and steady performance rather than brute force alone. The pros are comfortable grip design, balanced torque capacity, and practical accessory inclusion. The cons are lower maximum speed compared to some premium high RPM competitors. It suits mechanics handling routine service, contractors working in confined areas, and serious DIY users who want dependable cordless performance. Each turn of the socket feels controlled and purposeful, transforming complex repairs into steady, manageable progress. Now moving to the last one is DeWalt Electric Ratchet. Some repairs test patience more than strength, especially when a cramped engine bay turns every bolt into a battle. That is where a refined cordless ratchet changes the entire workflow. Built with a brushless motor delivering up to 75 foot-pounds of torque and 0 to 300 RPM no-load speed, this tool balances controlled power with smooth operation. It breaks loose, stubborn fasteners without feeling aggressive or unpredictable. Now consider adaptability. The interchangeable anvil design lets you switch quickly between 3/8 and 1/2 square drives, reducing downtime and keeping your focus on the task rather than searching for another tool. The glass-filled nylon housing resists automotive oils and solvents, adding durability where many ratchets begin to show wear. Tight spaces demand visibility. An onboard LED light brightens dim corners under hoods or inside frames, helping you maintain precision in low light. The variable speed trigger gives you measured control, while the forward and reverse switch streamlines direction changes without awkward repositioning. A trigger lock adds an extra layer of safety during transport or storage. Compared with lighter-duty electric ratchets that prioritize compact size but sacrifice torque output, this model delivers a stronger middle ground between power and maneuverability, making it a serious contender among professional-grade cordless ratchets. The pros are brushless efficiency, interchangeable drive versatility, and durable construction. The cons are slightly more weight compared to ultra-compact models. It suits professional mechanics, dedicated DIY enthusiasts, and technicians who need dependable torque in confined areas. Each rotation feels deliberate and controlled, turning demanding repairs into steady forward progress. So guys, this was the video about the best electric ratchet. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.